Welcome to Home Remedy TV. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell for more videos of this kind. In this video, you will discover 9 foods to boost your immune system. How does immune system work? When the body senses foreign substances, called antigens, the immune system works to recognize the antigens and get rid of them. B lymphocytes are triggered to make antibodies, also called immunoglobulins. But it does let the body make antibodies that will protect the person from future attack by the germ. Here are the list of 9 foods that will boost your immune system. Number 1, Papaya. Since ages, papaya has been loved for its unique taste and texture, but did you know this fruit and its extracts were used for making medicines? Even in Ayurveda, there's a mention of the extracts of papaya and how they can prevent as well as cure several ailments. Enriched with nutrients, papaya is a lot more than a fiber-rich fruit. Packed with iron, folate, B6, calcium, magnesium and vitamins A, C, B1, B3, B5, E, K and potassium, papaya is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties and anti-cancerous properties to name a few. Apart from that, papaya leaf extracts are one of the most used remedies for treating dengue fever, especially for its ability to increase the platelet count. Number 2, Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. Whole garlic contains a compound called ilein. When garlic is crushed or chewed, this compound turns into allicin, the main active ingredient in garlic, which is an immune system booster. Every 100 grams of garlic will serve you with close to 150 calories, 33 grams of carbs, 6.36 grams of protein. Garlic is also enriched with vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, folate, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. Number 3, Green tea. Polyphenols, potent plant antioxidants, are what's believed to give green tea its immune-boosting effects. One laboratory study suggested that a particular type of polyphenols called catechins may kill influenza viruses. Green tea contains vitamins and minerals that enhances the boosting of immune system. Number 4, Broccoli. Cauliflower, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are all cruciferous vegetables, which means they're not only rich in antioxidant vitamins that give an immune system boost, but they also contain choline, a nutrient essential to a healthy diet. Broccoli is a nutrient-packed powerhouse to support your immune system. 1 cup of broccoli provides as much vitamin C as an orange. The veggie is also high in beta-carotene, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and iron. Together, these vitamins and minerals help the immune system to run in top form. Number 5, Ginger. Ginger aids digestion, reduces nausea and may fight flu and colds. Turmeric, loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Due to its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, ginger does boost immune health. Upping your intake of antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like ginger shots may combat inflammation and keep your immune system healthy. Many test tube and animal studies suggest that ginger can enhance immune response. Number 6, Spinach. With an abundance of vitamins and minerals, it's obvious that spinach would boost up your immune system. Spinach has a high dose of vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, which help fight off infections as well as replenish the blood cells to give a boost to the immune system. Number 7, Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are strong immunity boosters. They have vast amounts of vitamin C. Vitamin C increases the production of white blood cells, which play a vital role in fighting against infections. That is the reason most people turn to vitamin C after catching a cold. Types of citrus fruits are oranges, lemon, lime, grapefruit, etc. Number 8, Red bell peppers. 1 medium-sized red bell pepper contains 152 milligrams of vitamin C, or enough to fulfill your RDA. Peppers are also a great source of beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin A is important for healthy skin, your mucous membranes and your immune system. Number 9, Apples. Apples are known to create a stronger immune system, which in turn can decrease the risk of diseases like the flu. Apples are rich in soluble fiber like pectin, which may reduce the inflammation associated with obesity-related diseases and strengthen the immune system. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, Comment and share this video with your friends.